Hi guys, I'm Mala. I'm back with another video for you guys, and as you know, I am really big on hairstyles. I love making new hairstyles for you guys which are super quick and which do not look like they're super quick. So today I have three new ones. Let's start with the first one. Braided princess hairband. Just take the lowermost segment of your hair in the front and make a braid. Loosen it up and put a little tic tac to hold it while you do the same thing on the other end. Take these two braids, take them across the head to the other ear, take some pins and secure them in place. Do the same thing with the other braid. Hairstyle number 2. Okay, this hairstyle, I love it. Okay, so just take a hairband of your choice. If you have bangs or you want to take out a few flicks, do that first. And then put the hairband on top of the entire hair and start from any one side. Just take one section, tuck it into the hairband and move on to the other section right next to it. Keep tucking in adjacent hair sections into the hairband. Keep doing this till you have covered the entire head of hair, and by the end of it you would have a beautiful updo. It is super pretty and super quick. You can leave your bangs out in front or you can loosely tuck it in so that it looks very feminine and graceful, and it's very lightly and loosely tucked in. I hope you like the final result, because I do. And since it took such little time to make, you can take a moment to play with your bunny ears. Alright you guys, now moving on to hairstyle number 3. I'm using my Minnie Mouse hairband. I love this one, the color and of course the Minnie Mouse. Just take all your hair to one side, tie it in a pony using any hairband that you like. Now just split your hair right in the middle and take those 2 fingers out, hold the ponytail and pull it in. It gives such a pretty fishtail look to your ponytail. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video because I really enjoyed making it for you guys, and please let me know if you want me to make more hair tutorials because hair, as you know, is totally my thing. I love making new hairstyles for you guys, so let me know if you enjoyed it and I'll make many more. Like this video if you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye.